So, you think you just found a steal? A used car for only a few $1,000s? Well, hold up. Some cars look cheap on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace, but in reality, they'll drain your wallet faster than a gas guzzler on the highway. In today's video, I'll reveal 5 used cars that seem like bargains, but cost more to maintain than what you paid for them. If you're shopping for a used ride in 2025, you need to watch this before you buy. First up, the BMW 7 Series from the early 2000s. You can find these for as little as $5 to $8 grand. Sounds amazing, right? Luxury for the price of a used Corolla. But here's the problem. These cars are loaded with complicated electronics, air suspensions, and pricey parts. A single repair can cost more than the car itself. Mechanics even joke that BMW stands for "Bring My Wallet." Unless you're ready to spend thousands a year, skip it. Another luxury trap is the Audi A8. You'll see them around $6,000 to $9,000, and trust me, they look tempting. But maintaining one is a nightmare. Timing chain failures, transmission issues, electrical gremlins. All of these repairs add up. Owners often end up junking them, because fixing the car costs more than its value. If you want German luxury, look for a simpler Audi like the A4 instead. Now let's talk about an American headache, the Chrysler Sebring. These can go for under $3 grand, but don't be fooled. Transmission failures, electrical issues, and cheap interior parts make them money pits. Many mechanics say they'd rather not even work on them. So while the low price tag is tempting, in the long run, you'll regret it. Here's a classic luxury trap, the Jaguar S-Type. You might spot one for just $4,000, but once things start breaking, and they will, repairs can cost double what you paid. From cooling system leaks to electronic failures, these cars are infamous for leaving owners stranded. Unless you've got a mechanic friend and a deep wallet, this is one big no. Finally, the cute but costly Mini Cooper S. For around $3,000 to $6,000, it looks like a fun bargain. But here's the truth: supercharger failures, transmission problems, and oil leaks make it a nightmare. Many owners say the repair bills are higher than their monthly car payments. Cute car, not cute on your wallet. So there you have it, 5 used cars that might look like a deal, but will burn a hole in your wallet. If you're hunting for affordable and reliable cars instead, check out my last video on the best cars under $10,000. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss the next list of cars you should watch out for. Drive smart and save your cash. Don't forget to subscribe.